A boy can play ball. A boy can run fast. A boy can fix a toy. A boy can enjoy a good book. A boy can be coy with a girl. A cowboy rides on a horse. I hope they will employ me at the mall. This mess annoys my mother. We ate soy sauce with our Chinese dinner. We must take care not to destroy our forests. Pam is a loyal friend. The sailors went on a long voyage across the sea. Jim planted the seeds in the soil. John will change the oil in his car. Jack keeps all of his coins in a jar. Jeff will coil the rope neatly. Jan will boil the rice for supper. Josh will point to the correct answer. Jill has a good singing voice. Julie wants to avoid that spoiled boy. Jerry shouldn't be so noisy in the classroom. Don't be late for your dental appointment.
Special sounds. Oi, oi. Word list.
1. Toy. Boil. Soy. Loin. 2. Coin. Spoil. Roy. Boy. 3. Joy. Foil. Coy. Ploy. 4. Troy. Enjoy. Coil. Choice. 5. Noise. Join. Avoid. Broil. 6. Voice. Oil. Poison. Point. 7. Joint. Hoist. Toil. Droid.
Special sounds. Oi, oi. Sentences.
1. Roy is a coy boy. 2. The noise will spoil the boy's joy. 3. Troy will join the boys. 4. Avoid the poison in the oil. 5. Roy points to his choice. 6. Don't spoil the boy's joy, Troy.